This video outlines how to import multiple budget lines into a project. There are several prerequisites before you can import budget lines. You must ensure you have configured the budget tiers if your project requires them, and also ensure the Prime Pay application layout has been set up. There are two required steps to begin to import multiple budget lines. The first step required is to populate an Excel spreadsheet with the mandatory information and save it as a CSV file. The second step is to import the CSV file into the Gate3 system. This video tutorial will focus on both steps and show you how to populate an Excel spreadsheet with the necessary information and save it as a CSV file, and then upload the CSV file into the Gate3 system. Ensure you are logged into a project. To begin, click the Start menu and navigate to the Budget module. The default budget view will appear. Click on the New menu and select Import Budget Lines. Click on the Here link to download a sample template. Depending on the browser you use to open Gate3, the following steps may be different. For the purpose of this demonstration, the Chrome browser has been used. Click the Open option from the list to open the sample import template file. The Excel template will open. Populate the Excel spreadsheet with the mandatory information and save the file as a CSV, delimited file. Budget tiers are optional. If your client's budget consists of budget tiers, then make sure your budget tier breakdown is set up and defined in Gate3 prior to importing the budget lines. Ensure your CSV file is populated correctly and that it adheres to the system required format in order to import it into Gate3 properly. Let's review the necessary information and the required system format. Both Tier 1 and Tier 2 number must be entered as they are defined and configured in the system. Budget tiers are a numeric field. The budget line is also a numeric field. For best practice, and if your client team agrees, do not create budget lines with consecutive numbers. Instead, use increments that will allow you to insert budget lines between previously created budget lines if necessary. This gives you greater flexibility and control of the client budget. The name is a text field which contains the budget line description name. Once you have populated your spreadsheet and saved it as a CSV file, click on the Specify Target File button and select the file from your computer. Once you have located the selected file, click Open. The current source will populate the file name. Click on Import Now. A confirmation message will appear if the import process is successful. If your import CSV file contains any errors, a warning message will be displayed on the top of the screen, and you will be required to update and modify the import CSV file with the necessary changes. In the budget view, click the Refresh hyperlink to display your newly imported budget lines. The budget lines will be imported as draft. You are now ready to save your imported budget lines. In order to save the budget, click on the budget lines you wish to save and ensure the tier groups are deselected. Then click the Save button. A confirmation message will appear that all draft budget lines have been saved. You now have a better understanding of how to import multiple budget lines into Gate3. The next steps is to assign cost accounts to your budget lines. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.